Vintage but new? It feels like it's never been used. Welcome, I'm Jeanette the Crafty Hobbit, and this is the Crafty Hobbit Rehab channel. This is a new in the shop video for a musical jewelry box that is ready for its new home. Solid wood with a glass facing insert. This is hand painted with the black and white checks, distressed with the vintage gold smears around all sides. It currently has a colorful wonderland floral design in the picture display, but that can be swapped out for your own image or picture. This piece has a pristine black velour interior along with a key turn music box underneath, and it plays You Are My Sunshine. Small little feet underneath give it just a little bit of lift from your tabletop, and it has a magnetic closure. What a gem to stumble upon, and I couldn't be more pleased with how it came out. If this item is for you, you can scan the QR code right here in the video and I'll send it to your doorstep, insured shipping, or use the first link in the video description. If you'd like to shop from the online store, you can use the second link in the video description. If you want to be one of the first to catch new items when they hit the store, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. That's all for now, and we'll see you on the next one.